know if I can do this with one hand. All the batteries are perfect, hardly ever used the batteries. It's got the pretty lid on top, it's got the big light there, light is good. Hardly ever use this, you know why? Because I'm an artist and I thought I really needed that tool, and in the end I realized that it was way overkill. But it's that simple. Okay, so, and you know what, I think I might make an NFT of this. I might take a good picture of it and make an NFT, so you have the option to get the NFT. Maybe you want the NFT, not the drill. It's that simple. Hey, how you guys doing, Milwaukee? I know a bunch of Milwaukee tools for sale, but usually they just have the body. And they have like literally one battery. But in this deal you get 2 batteries. In this deal you get a 3rd battery. Okay? No, you don't get that. And you get that. Now, I hardly ever use this because let's just put a battery in there. Can I do this in one hand? Works fine, perfect, no problems. Impact works perfect. The whole thing works beautiful. And how many drills do you get with extra batteries? These batteries alone are 100. That's like $100 and some, like $150 or something like that. Because you didn't even get this battery. I had to buy extra these batteries and this battery, because this battery I'm not too sure, because I think it's dead. That's why I had to buy these. I think this is the brand spanking new one I just bought, and these are 2. Anyways, I never really used a drill because I'm an artist, and to do the bolts on the crates was way overkill. I didn't need an impact for it. So that's my excuse. Now I'm gonna make an NFT out of this drill, non-fungible token, so you have the option to actually get the NFT, and you'll see it right, that NFT, you'll see that right now being made, or it's done. I'm working on it right now. What more do you want? 3 batteries of perfect condition, hardly ever used. I use this on the job a couple times, maybe, that's it, and I don't need it. I got a smaller drill, and this is quality Milwaukee tool. Are you convinced yet? Hey, how you guys doing? So I'm taking, whoever buys this, I'm gonna make an NFT. So this is the NFT. This is the cutout of the drill of the you know what I mean. Just make sure this is PNG. I believe that's saved. This, the next one we're going to cut out is this here, or we're going to try cutting out this image here to make an NFT. So if you happen to buy this drill, might get famous. It literally might get famous, so you never know. It just takes a little bit of time and patience. just came here to buy a lousy drill. Well, sorry, you're in deep now. You're in deep. You're really in deep. Let's see. Really deep. Plus, if you've never seen an NFT being made, you're going to see it and deployed onto the blockchain all at once. So your drill could become famous, technically. Technically, it's my drill right now, but it's going to be your drill. So I think that's good enough. Maybe in here. Just a little bit. That's good enough. We're not trying to be super fancy or anything. Now we save this. Save as image. Make sure it's a PNG file so I could Photoshop it back in later. Save that to desktop with this one. Here we go. Drill 5. So that's going to be the drill, will be the trait. And the second one will be, so we need, so drill, batteries, it's going to be trait 2, this is going to be trait 3. Actually, it looks pretty good already. Whoops. I literally just came here to buy a drill. As you can see, I'm just doing this really fast. I'm not really I'm not putting like a crap lot of time into it. You know, why would I? That looks like it's done. Pop it out. Delete that. Put it back on. Make the back transparent. Clean this up a little bit. So this doesn't look like a noob did it. Oh, it's not good. So sharp in those corners. From a distance you won't be able to tell. I don't like that. You know what? We'll make sure a border goes over that, so it's good enough. What do you expect? Okay, now we put this, actually, this needs to be 300. 300 by 400. Save that. That's not right. That's not right. that's right. Okay, this cutout, we gotta resize this one. Because it wasn't resized properly. It's too big. Oops. There we go. The reason why it's shrunk down is because you'll see in a second. Now see, this is accessory, these are accessories. So now what we do is we go to, what should we do in gold bar one? Gold bar is probably best. So we go, actually we go into pictures, we go into gold bar gen, pick a nice background. Let's see, you kind of saw it in, let's see, a really nice background. Like an industrial background. You know what? Let's see what it looks like in this. So let's grab a nice frame, kind of like a industrial kind of frame. Maybe this one here, 30. I don't like that. Kind of like a industrial kind of. Maybe this one. There we go. And insert. Insert. Drill in the middle. Insert the batteries. And insert the charger. Let's see, maybe tilted in like that. So it kind of matches this. Bring this a little bit bigger. You know what? Let's make that battery bigger. I just came here to buy a damn tool. Now I'm buying an NFT. You ain't buying no NFT because, well, technically you could buy this because you'll see it deployed onto the blockchain. Like, you know what? Am I happy with this? Am I happy with this? Am I happy with that? Yeah, I'm happy. Now, insert. Let's see, what are we gonna put this in here? We're gonna put let's see. industrial logo. We'll use this one because it's just cool. And then we're gonna make this a bronze project. We're gonna make this a bronze seal. Bronze. Well, that would be 16,000 a year. Maybe $1 a day. No, you know what? 16,000. Let's do it. Very expensive. Very expensive. That's your NFT. That's the NFT. And I think this should be up higher. Should be up higher. Should be up here. You know what? I'm gonna pause this and I'll be right back. I gotta make this here red so it kind of matches the tool. And there we go. Okay, you know what? Let's put what can we put in there? We can put in something special. Something special. What can we put special in there? Mini pile of gold bars. Put a gold bar in there. Where are gonna put it? So we'll put it small enough so it just kind of doesn't rouse suspicion. You know what I mean? That's not good there. Kind of in the middle down here, kind of symmetry kind of deal. I don't know. Yeah, you know what it is. That's it. That's the NFT. So it has gold bar trait 1, trait 2, trait 3, and it's one of a kind. I believe that is it. Save image. Main. Save. Now we go to OpenSea and deploy it right to OpenSea. So now we're actually going to deploy this NFT as an NFT right to the blockchain. So that's what it is right here. Now we go find our image, which is right here. What are we going to call this? Milwaukee fuel impact drill. For sale. Number 1. This is the first thing I've ever kind of really sold on here. Well, link to this. This will be under Chuck Baller. You may buy tools online, but did you ever buy an NFT with the drill? Now you have. Maybe. It's that simple. This be under Chuck Baller, Chuck Collection, since it's on its own little thing. And we'll put properties in here, so it will be Milwaukee impact drill. Let's see. drill 1. So, second. So second tray, we'll put Milwaukee batteries. Did I put a capital M on there? Oh, something's not right here. Okay, this is not right. Okay, this is actually how it's supposed to be. The traits is number 1. Milwaukee batteries, copy, paste over here, and then you put 3, since there's 3 of them, and then Milwaukee charger. Just a second. So make sure this is all right. And this is just 1, so it's 1. 1 gold. So you're always rich. Gold bar. Art. Notes. Whoops. Gold bar. Copy. Paste. And there's only 1, so there's 1. That's it. Save. So there's traits, which is the property. Now we deploy it onto Polygon for free. Now we hit create. I'm not a robot because I'm not. And now it's officially an NFT. Oh yeah. Just wait for it to pop up. There's the NFT. And there's the traits. Milwaukee batteries 3, 1 charger. The name's all right. Now we'll put it for sale in case you want to buy it. Anybody in the world could buy this, but I'm going to put it in such a high price to give you a chance, if you're buying this drill in the future, to give you a chance to put an offer or whatever on it, but it'll be for sale. I'll put it for like 1,000 Ethereum. Just a second. Okay, so we're going to put this at like, we'll put it 1 ETH. Duration 6 months, so you can take a long look at it. And remember, if you bought this drill, all you have to do is to phone me, and I could keep this separate. This is a fixed price. It's for 1,796. So you have the option to buy it for like $10. Right now I'm gonna put it in really high because chances of somebody buying this is pretty slim. But you're not just buying a drill, you're buying a piece of art. I'm telling you. You're buying a piece of art now. And you got a story behind the drill. What's that worth? Complete listing, but as soon as I hit this, I'll show my my blockchain number, and I can't show you that. But I can show you this part because the number's off the edge, so you can't tell what it is. So now it is totally listed. That's for sale. Right there, 1,000. So here's the story. You can go buy, okay, here's a simple fact. You can go buy any drill on the market in the world. But your drill is an NFT. Your drill's a real NFT in the NFT world. So go buy that crappy drill out there. go and buy a real one in a store for like $800 with all the with the charger and 3 batteries. I'm telling you, it's gonna cost you some money. So you can buy anybody else's drill. Oh, there's crackers. You can buy anybody else's drill, but here's your drill as an NFT with the option to buy for like this for basically for free, but I'd have to transfer it to your account. Or you could just buy it for like $10 or something like that. We could figure it out. Or you could just buy the drill and just know that this is out there in the world and it's real. It's no BS. Thank you for watching.